Once again, you're welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for time spent in watching my video. I want to say I appreciate every comment you have made and you will still make. Thank you for your time, and I appreciate every way you like it, you subscribe to it. It's an encouragement. It keeps encouraging me to produce more, to make more videos. Okay, so today I'll be putting on this Vaseline. It's a simple recipe and you can get it rightly. It's not difficult. You can produce a Vaseline at home by yourself. You can make it for business. Very easy and comfortable to be made at home. Okay, so what are the ingredients we're using today? We'll be using this. This is paraffin oil. I have 200 grams of paraffin oil here. Okay, and I have petroleum jelly. Here I have 100 grams of petroleum jelly, and here I have the paraffin wax. Of course, that will help it to solidify too. And I have lalonine here. Okay, and there. So what do we do? We have to put this on double boiling. Okay, I'm going to use double boiler for it. What does that mean? I put water in a bowl and I place this on it, and after I place it on it, I will melt all this one by one. Okay, let's get there. Okay, this is the double boiling, the water, this is the paraffin oil in it, and this is the bowl of water. So what is the next thing I'm going to drop? I will drop this, the paraffin wax, so that it will melt. Okay, we can see that the wax is already melting. It's already melting, reducing in size. So I pour the gel there, the jelly, petroleum jelly there. Okay, I will allow it to melt also. Okay, I allow it to melt. Okay, so we leave it for some time to melt. It's very simple, it's not difficult. You can make it yourself too. So we allow it to, let's remove that particle there. We allow it to melt. Okay, when everything has melted, we now add our lanolin there. But let's wait for this to melt first. Okay, you can help your wax by breaking it down instead of this big one. Okay, so you can make it fast. You can see the jelly is already melting fast. So maybe when you are doing your own, make your wax in smaller bits that can melt on time. There's already difference in the texture of the liquid. The paraffin wax is already changing. It's being thicker than what it was because of the petroleum jelly and the wax in it. The wax will help to solidify it also. Okay, having washed how I made my anointing oil with paraffin oil, you need to wash it. Very simple. Make it and sell it. Okay, the wax is taking time because I didn't break it down in bits. Please break your own down in bits so that it's faster. You can see the petroleum jelly already melted. Let's wait for the wax. When the wax melts, okay, well, of course you can see that it's already reducing. If it was in bits, it would have melted since. All this thing, let's wait for it. Okay, Let's wait for it to melt. Okay, we can see it's reducing so fast now. Okay, just to remind us once again that I run online classes, online training. If you are yet to join, why not? You will see my number on the screen. Check for the link in the description below. Okay, or you reach me on the number there directly. Okay, and then I also have an ebook where in that ebook I have recipes that you can relax at home and make on your own. And I have some questions and answers there too that are bothering some of us. How do I do this? How do I do it? With this ebook, many of the solutions are there. Okay, and I also have addresses of contact the vendors when you need them for their chemicals. Some of them do home delivery, of course. So okay, we can see that the wax is already melting. So what is the next thing we are going to put? We are going to put our laonine. Okay, add our laonine there. And when this one melts, we come back. At this time I've already put up the fire there. So you can see it has melted. So the next thing we're going to bring it down and allow it to cool. Okay. Okay, this is our Vaseline that we have produced. Okay, this is our Vaseline, so we allow it to cool. Let's allow it cool so that it doesn't burn the plastic we are using. If you are stated now and you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and put on the notification bell so that each time I upload new content, you'll be among the first set of people to get it. I appreciate your effort. I appreciate every way you are encouraging me. Okay, thanks so much. You can pour it into your desired containers once it's cool. Okay, so let's keep it aside. Okay. Wow, our Vaseline is ready. Our Vaseline is ready. Oh, our Vaseline is ready. Our Vaseline is ready. Our Vaseline is ready. Oh, our Vaseline is ready. Make your own and let me see. See you. You can rub it on the body, rub it on the face. Okay, the Vaseline